Oh. Hey.
Is that thing on?
Yeah, it is actually.
He's been sitting here.
Nice.
I just
Countryside representing.
I just put the thing on. I'm messing around with it.
This is not a Countryside video. This is a Bow Enterprises Spencer Lilly video. And we're painting this goofy guy's truck. And Spencer over here is the one gonna do it. So we're gonna get you guys some footage of pouring the paint in here, and then we are gonna go from there and start spraying this truck. And I get to be Spencer's film guy today.
All right, let's fire it up. Got so thin.
You're full. That is really thin.
Oh man, we gotta wash all that. Hopefully that
Thin stuff. Screw the cap on and ready to paint. Okay, we have this spare hood here, so Spencer's gonna dial this gun in on the hood and get everything exactly where he wants it before he goes laying paint on the truck. That's a nice spray.
Pretty good.
a little bit more air than I'd like.
So he's definitely pushing air.
What's it at now? 50? Turn down to 40.
It's yeah, about 50.
This is the dry stuff I'm talking about, the overspray.
Yep.
You can see how dry that is.
Oh yeah, that overspray dries fast.
It's just got that gritty look to it. It's not really hard. Yeah, I think I'll roll with that.
Yeah?
That looks good.
You got that stuff wire? I'm not stepping all over the thing. Alright, so we're not taking the windshield off or any of that. We're just kind of painting up to what we got. It's important that we paint the seams first. If I were to spray it to here and then spray the seam, I double coat it. So I start by doing my trim work, and then if I trim up to here, I go from there rather than having a thick spot and a thin spot next to it. So I always do my trim work and then I come back from that into my wide open areas. what's underneath this back of the hood on both sides, and then we can lower. I'll trim the hood out, and then we can lower the hood. I should do that too. We're certainly not professional painters, but they're work trucks, so they look fine. And 10 feet away. I think it's gonna look nice with blue on there.
Yeah.
Look how dark this gray is, that blue.
Yeah.
Alright, so we took the grill off and we latched the latch underneath here. So at no point can this hood be latched closed. When this falls, it's gonna hit the pin. And we won't have to go back into the cab to unlatch it. Yep. Hold it all underneath. Hold it down there next time. So we're not touching the thing. Pull it more hose off that thing.
It's that good mechanic college right there. Pull that hose. What's that?
That was pretty wavy right there.
Yeah.
How's the waviness look? I can't see it.
Anything's better. We're out. still got to do this A-pillar, don't forget.
The last part of this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
Bumper.
There's one spot you can see it.
Yeah, but it's not like the whole crease like it used to be.
Are you painting the mirrors blue?
Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be color match.
Nice.
He doesn't like them. I think they look pretty sharp color match.
Alright, here we are now. Randy left. Countryside Vlogs. Hopefully you watch him. If not, I'll drop a link to his channel and you can subscribe to him if you're not already. But our primer's all on. 2 coats. What do you think, buddy Dan?
That looks pretty good.
It's his truck. So I mean, if I goof it up, I don't really care. It's on him. I don't know how well this shows up on the camera, but man, we did a lot of body work back here. I think this looks a lot better than what it was.
100%.
It's not perfect.
It's not gonna be perfect.
By any means is it perfect. But he's just blaming on you backed into it with a forklift or something. Fuel cap?
Yeah, they hit me.
Yeah, they always hit you.
Yeah.
Guy loves being on camera. Hood, looking good. And these color matched mirrors he wanted. This is just the primer. But we're gonna be painting those blue. The what?
Flying on the back of the truck doesn't look too bad.
Oh yeah, this fender right here. You saw the picture I put in there earlier of it all smashed up the whole truck. This fender went flying out of the back of a pickup truck.
A brand new fender.
A brand new fender. So they were gonna buy a new one. I just started fixing the thing up one afternoon. And here we are. I think it looks pretty good. It wasn't too dented up. A couple deep scratches from the road.
But if we had that putty with that,
it cleaned up all right. All right, so now we're gonna pack up our air hose and we're just gonna let this room get dust free and we're gonna walk away from it and we're done for today. We'll be back next year to finish it. It is December 31st. December 31st there, you can't see, there you go, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Also, side note he just mentioned, he painted this truck a year ago today. And then he smashed it, and now we're repainting it again. But we're changing the color, that's why. It used to be that color blue. Now it's gonna be a dark blue. Real sexy. All right, we out. Honk.